mga kakwan, good morning po. Yan po si Casper. Kami po ay mamaya pupunta na po kami sa vet clinic para po sa kanyang vaccine. Ang schedule po ay 10:30. So mag-breakfast muna. Then punta na doon si Pogi. Mamaya nginig yan. Mukha mo, please like and subscribe po kayo sa aming YouTube channel and click notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga video po namin. Ayan po ang Pogi, tinitingnan na kanyang mama. Si baby ka Pogi. O chuy, ginagawa ni mama. Ang ginagawa ni mama. Ang ginagawa ni mama. Titignan niya nanay niya. Oh. Ready na rin sa work. So, ayan mga kakawan, on the way na po kami sa vet at si Casper. Tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging reaction. Bye-bye na tayo, uwi na. Ayan, medyo mainit. So, open natin yung Google. So, 8 minutes lang po. So, hindi siya gaano kalayuan. So, abangan nyo naman po ang vaccine ni Casper. Diyan muna kayo. Yan, sobrang excited siya bababa. Yala, bye-bye. Excited na siya, nanunulak siya, oh. Tara na. Pero hindi niya alam kung anong mangyayari ngayon. Yala. Oh, mainipin. Tara na, wait. Oh, gusto nang bumaba talaga. Hindi na mapalagay. Hindi mo pala, baby, na tala. Ano. So, elevator na kami. Dito na kami. Naamoy niya na yata. Ayan na. Dito na po kami. Saglit lang. So, andito na kami. Hindi ko alam kung open na ba. Ito na po ang vet. Si Casper nanginginig na. Tingnan natin kung bukas na, bebe. Wait lang. Wait. Hello, good morning. Palagay iyo. So, ayan. Dito yung babaksin si Casper na makulit na to. Wala. Kulit di, oh. Hindi na mapakali. Ang kulit na, oh. Okay. Gustong buwaba, hindi malanan. Baby, sit down ba? Kulit di, oh. Nanginginig na. You will make the vaccine? You are the one who will make the vaccine?
No, that's the thing.
Okay. Bebe. Titimbangin. Wait, sir. Andiyan, baby. Ayan na. Titimbangin na si Casper. Bebe, no. Sit down. Sit down na. Sit down. Okay, good boy. Sit down.
Your left hand.
Bebe, sit down. 355. 355 kilo si Casper. Sit down, bebe. Sit down. Opo, sit down. It's okay na, bebe. Sit down lang kasi, nak. Sit down.
One is medium, one is small, one is zero.
To cut.
You want to remove the...
How much is it?
The bone?
Huh?
How much? You can ask in the reception.
Okay. A year?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yearly.
Okay. Because it's good that you have here a discount.
For what?
Because the annual is 175. Yeah, that's why it's better.
Yeah.
Because in other vet, they don't have.
Yeah, we give only the HPP and
And,
antibiotics.
yeah. Pipo, it's normal.
Every single.
Yeah. Morning and afternoon. Po.
Check for fun, check for friction.
It's okay, baby.
I'm scared.
Yeah. Because it's a long time you don't come in the bed. That's why like this. But temperature normal. Only scared. Then we will buy treats. Okay? Okay? Takot siya eh. Good boy. Maganda dito kasi nakikita natin kung anong ginagawa. Yung iba kasi nakasara. Takot si Pogi. Ears.
He wants you. He wants you, eh?
Yeah.
He wants you. When I come here, he wants toward you, yeah? You see him.
Yeah. See this one. Checking the ears. Camera. Yan, camera. Kung madumi ang tenga. Casper. Kung may punggos. Ano na? Sa kabila naman. Daming bukay, oh. Ano yun? Ala.
No, this is normal. It's here.
It's here.
But the ear is okay.
Yeah, thank you.
The ear is okay. No air line. No
Yeah, it's clean.
Okay.
It's clear.
Remove or what?
Huh?
I want to check for fungus.
Yeah, yeah.
You can remove it?
Yeah, yeah, I can remove the dress. I will remove it.
From here or it's very difficult for her?
Kung may punggo si Casper. Because the next week is scheduled for grooming. Yeah, next
Sure.
week.
Clean.
Very good. Clean. Sergey. Sasaktan.
This one we can clean every day.
Yeah. Every day I clean only now, Doc. Yeah.
We can clean
With the cotton and water.
check some out.
Yan ang problema, ang ipin. That's it.
That is, oh my
Yeah,
God.
yeah. This is the one.
You need to do dental. You see the tooth?
Yeah.
Not good. And also that smell. Okay? You need to do dental.
Only the teeth. I know the teeth, the problem. So, yan na. Start ng injection.
Group she will put in on 10 o'clock.
Dalawang injection. Tusukay na Casper. Bebe. One down. There's another one. Kabila naman. Ay. It's okay, bebe.
Good boy.
Good boy. Yay. Good boy. Good boy, Casper. Meron siyang deworm. Bibigyan ng deworm. Para healthy na si Casper. And deworm. Good boy. Shatter, Caspero. Good boy. Good boy. Si Casper. Good boy. Good boy, huh? Good boy. Thank you po kay Jackie Perez for the sponsor. Thank you.
This one freshness speed press reduce.
Okay. And how much is one, Doc?
This is 95.
Okay.
You want or what?
There is no discount.
There is, I think there is smaller.
Very small?
Yeah. This one's a big. What is the smallest one?
Small is finished.
You are sure?
Check. Small is finished.
Kasi kailangan ni Casper to para sa ihalo sa tubig niya. Mahal eh. Kasi sa amoy ng bibig ni Casper. This one?
The smallest.
Okay.
The same but small. This one.
Only I drop
You put in the.
water.
No, this one for toes. Sorry. I think this one liquid. You put in the.
Small is finished.
See?
Finish. So, ito yung sponsor. So, babayaran na natin. Good boy si Casper. Healthy. Ang ipin lang talaga. Mawa naman yan. Okay, thank you.
Change? No change.
No, I don't have change. I don't have change. 205. I have 5 dirham only here. It's 210. Oh, wait, I will... Ayan, bilhin din natin ng treats si Pogi. Yan, may treats ka, oh. Kasi good boy ka. Kasama po yan sa sponsor din. Tapos bibili pa ako ulit doon sa may malapit sa amin yung mura, yung paborito ni Casper. Wala kasi sila nun eh. Kaya ito na muna. Ang ulit, oh. Yan. Nag-antay kami, wala pang sukli eh. Bibi. Kulit eh. No? Ano ba gusto? May hawhaw. So, uwi na kami. Saan ba? Hindi gumagana ba? Saan na? Pauwi na kami ni Casper. Good day. Bakit walang tumutunog sa elevator? So, ayan, nauhaw ang pogi natin. Richard Habibi, you're such a good boy. Napaka-good boy. Ay, napakalinis ni Casper daw, clean. Ang problema lang talaga yung kanyang ipin talaga. Kasi nagawa ng, di ba, yung matagal siya sa kalsada. So, yun nga. Tinututbrushan ko naman, kaso mahirap. So, ayan. Thank you ulit kay Jackie Perez sa pa-sponsor po kay Casper para sa kanyang vaccine. Anti-rabies, tsaka HTTP, tsaka isang pa-deworm. So, deworm is every 3 months. So, babalik tayo pagkatapos ng 3 months ulit para continuous na yung pagiging healthy ng ating poging Pero, so, ayan mga kakuan, tatapusin ko na po ang video to. Pero bago po namin tapusin pala, saglit lang, okay? Kakabit ko lang, may sasabihin pa pala ako. So, ayan na nga, no, bumili ako ng treats kay Casper. At dalawa din nito. Tapos, meron pang naging sukli na 50. Ibibili ko ulit to ng treats kay Casper. Yung paborito niya, yung mura lang. So, ayan, meron pa tayong sukling 50. So, ito, bibili natin ng treats pa ulit kay Casper. So, ayan, tatapusin ko na tong video nito. Pero bago ko tapusin, shoutout mo tayo sa ating mga kaibigan. Sheila Eltemure, B. Lionheart, si Sir Al, Sir Chopper, Domino. Sa lahat ng mga supporter po ng aming channel, hello po, thank you po. At sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe po tayo sa aming YouTube channel ni Casper and support our channel po. At ganoon din po, kung dumaan to sa inyong mga wall, support lang po tayo. And then, napaka-subscribe din po yung ating mga kaibigan na vlogger din po. Maraming salamat sa lahat. At thank you so much sa nag-sponsor kay Casper na si Jackie Perez. Thank you. God bless you and bless your family and bless you more and more and more and more and more. Yala mga kakwa, yala. Bye! So, open natin. Yay! Yoo! Eat na. O, yan na. Kain na siya. Good boy. Yan na. Yan na.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.